Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can track and monitor the performance of your Google Chrome web browser on your desktop computer in 2025 or on your laptop if you like. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two different ways how you can monitor your browser's performance and also the performance of each tab that is currently open in your web browser's window here on Google Chrome. So option number one, guys, would be to simply, let's assume you have 4 of these tabs open, would be to simply hover your mouse over one of these tabs. Let me go this one here. And that is going to give you a small preview of the given website here in that tab. And at the bottom of it, you will see also the memory usage, which is in this case here for this open tab, your Chrome Web Store, 123 MB. And you can do that for any other tab as well. That one here is using between 120 and 130 MB of memory, and so on and so forth. That's option number one. Option number two would be to access your browser's task manager. You can do it the same way as you open your task manager on your device. Simply click into that field here at the top where none of these tabs is open, and select task manager. And after that, here navigate to tabs and extensions, and simply check the memory as well as the CPU usage of each opened tab. As you can see, that one here is using 157 MB of memory, CPU, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may do that, or simply check your entire browser's usage here and simply monitor your browser's performance and also the memory as well as CPU usage through the task manager. So guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.